This Blue Heron home isn't designed just to impress. It's designed to take your breath away. Welcome to this striking Blue Heron luxury residence, a 5,800 square foot show home featuring 4 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and a 4-car garage. This Cresta floor plan is move-in ready and crafted for both entertaining and quiet reflection. As you enter, soaring 22-foot ceilings immediately set the tone for dramatic living. The great room is anchored by a sleek fireplace where 10 automated sliding pocket doors vanish into the walls, blurring the line between indoor and outdoor living. Bronze smoke mirrors detailing the porcelain tile throughout bring depth and elegance. The chef's kitchen pairs premium natural stone and hardwood finishes with high-end appliances. An open dining space flows seamlessly whether you're hosting intimate dinners or lively gatherings. Just steps away, a striking wine room showcases your collection, while the luxury media room elevates entertainment with a quart-sized clad bar designed for unforgettable nights with family and friends. The downstairs primary suite is a retreat within a retreat, complete with a spa-inspired bathroom and a private outdoor shower for the ultimate resort-style experience. The floating double stringer staircase is a sculptural centerpiece leading you to the upstairs loft where the Las Vegas Strip stretches out before you in panoramic views. Outdoors, this home transforms into a private resort. A detached casita, infinity edge pool, wet deck, spa, and multiple covered lounges invite you to relax, recharge, and entertain in style. This Blue Heron Prado Show Home is not just a design, it's a landmark in Las Vegas.